Tired of background noise ruining your iPhone calls? Here's how to fix it in seconds. First, make or receive a call using your iPhone. While you're on the call, swipe down from the top right corner to open the control center. Now look for an option called Mic Mode. Tap on it, and you'll see different modes. Select Voice Isolation. This feature focuses on your voice and blocks out background noise, like traffic, wind, or people talking nearby. Now your calls should sound much clearer. Next, let's turn on another helpful setting. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Then go to Audio/Visual. Here, find Phone Noise Cancellation and turn it on. This helps reduce ambient noise during regular phone calls. Quick tip: voice isolation works best during active calls, while noise cancellation helps in general situations. Using both together gives you the best results. And that's how you reduce background noise on iPhone calls.